so that the network issues are not there. Okay, good evening, everyone. Very, very special day because on Passion Talks today, we have a very dear friend, mentor, and someone who's been in the defense services. He's been corporates and he's into startups. So the kind of experience he has, no one else can have better than that, right? And apart from that, I know him personally from the running days to corporate days to again the kind of transition I've said earlier. So warm welcome to Major Dinesh, and today we'll start first of all by his journey from school to army and till here. Over to you, Dinesh sir. Welcome.
So, good evening, everybody. Romil has spoken so high about me. I'm actually wondering, is he talking about me or somebody else?
So you are, sir.
So, whoever I speak to about Romil, and I get such. I was talking to my coursemate group today, some of them, and moment I took your name, everybody said, "Oh wow, he's such an amazing guy, down to earth, great guy." So,
Sir, your day.
Romil, it's mutual. It has been a great knowing you. So, guys, good evening again, and thank you for giving this opportunity. Um, um, in next half an hour, 45 minutes, whatever I have, I'll try to share. If it can help somebody, great. So so Romil, I'm a born, brought up, hardcore Delhiite, as we call ourselves. Delhi wale pehle bolte the, now it's all Delhiite, all
Right.
high fly words. So I
Correct.
belong to a very in the outskirts of Delhi. There's a place called Nazafgarh. I belong to that place. It's in towards the West Delhi. I did my schooling from there, and then I did my later part of my schooling from DAV school in Vikaspuri. So I hope if there's anybody from DAV or the Vikaspuri branch, my hi to them. Um, then I did my 12th. Wanted to join DU. In everybody's mind, there's a dream to join DU. But I got such less marks, they wouldn't probably even allow me beyond the gates of the Delhi University colleges. So I ended up in a college in Gurgaon. Okay, that's a government college. They were taking anybody, so they took me also. Okay. I mean, that's beside the point. That was a girls' college, and BSc medical was only one open for the guys. So did my graduation, and by the time I actually reached my college, I had completely lost my direction. I didn't know what I want to do, what was my target. पूछता ना बच्चों से, what do you want to become in life? अगर मुझसे ग्रेजुएशन में कोई पूछता तो मुझे
Exactly.
क्या बनना है? I finished my college, and then I joined a small company as a medical representative. That's the only job. I could probably speak a little decent English from a good private school. So I worked there for a few months, and by the time I had appeared for my serious exam, I cleared it, thankfully, in first go, and I was like, wow. Then went for my SSB, got cleared it, that too. And suddenly I felt myself, a little worthy. अभी तक लग रहा था, कुछ नहीं
Useless.
करने वाला, यार जिंदगी ऐसे निकल जाएगी. And then I joined army. I went to OTA. All
Right.
those guys from the army would know what OTA, IMA, and NDA is. This is a short service commission. Roman is from NDA, so he's ex-NDA. From OTA, I got commissioned to the infantry battalion. That's Rajputana Rifles. I opted for Rajputana Rifles. I thought the regimental
Delhi.
center of Rajrif is in Delhi. So I got a chance
Right.
to spend a lot of time in Delhi, but not even once in about 7 years I got a chance to go to center except beyond the first 15 days. Got commissioned to Bikaner. That was my first posting. From there, 1.5 years, went to Kashmir, 4 years. During the Kargil war, we had just been inducted into the army and into the valley. Spent 4 years there, saw the operation from very close quarters. From there, by the time I had made up my mind, I want to quit army. And but वो आर्मी में रह के वो प्रॉब्ली वो सुना होगा कुएं के मेंढक. I didn't know anything about the civil world. Okay, so when I wanted to come out but didn't know what to do. So I left army when I had from Kashmir. My unit had moved to Shimla, yeah, and then
Right.
I quit army. For a year, I worked for KLM Airlines. There's a sister concern. I worked with them for about a year. Moved to
Okay.
Wipro in Hyderabad. Anybody from Wipro, my hi to them. I was in the Wipro Technologies in Hyderabad for good 5 years. Came to Delhi 1 year in Wipro, BPO Spectrum, and as it was called that time, and then moved to Mercer. Mercer is a large HR consulting firm. I was based in Delhi and in Gurgaon, and worked with them for about 6 years. So not too many corporates.
Right.
And then by the time in 2010, we have started this institute called Academy of Pastry Arts, wanting to impart training into pastry and bakery. Okay. There's a whole bit of story why really we started this, and my contribution was very, very limited. And 2010 we started, but 2015 we opened one in Delhi, as in Gurgaon. And 2016, while still in Mercer, I was forced by my partners, whom I know for 40 years. They pulled me out of my job and said, start managing this business. And
Right.
from 2015 onwards, we've been growing at a pretty steady pace. We today have seven centers across Asia. And here we are in 2020. We were doing well, everything was going well, and suddenly Corona came knocking from nowhere, and now
Right.
we need to re-strategize ourselves. So that's a quick brief about me.
But just tell me, sir, from Rajref, Rajref, if somebody knows, I mean, all those from defense would know Rajref is what is they famous for? Huge build, proper latte type, bouncer type. From there to all the way to pastry. I mean, wildest of dreams nobody would think of.
Yeah, so Rajrev is known for their churma, singre ki sabji, and
Exactly.
and everything else. And pastry, it's like a completely different thing. So people ask me, "Are you from ASC?"
Right.
And all those who know me, and they ask
Quite
me,
obvious.
"ASC?"
Right.
And I don't know nothing to do with ASC. People ask me, "Do you have a passion for baking?" I said, "No, I don't even. My wife don't even allow me inside the kitchen to make a cup of tea.
Right.
बनाना बहुत दूर की बात है." So it is, probably it was a destiny for me. My partner. So while I was in school, we were three friends,
Okay.
and till 12th we were together. We studied from our first class standard together, and till 12th we were together. Went to the same class, same school, same section. Okay, we changed our school thrice. Every time we changed together. We failed in our 11th standard. We again failed in the same subject and at the same time. So probably we're destined. So after 12th, I did my graduation. This fellow went to join the hotel management. And 2010, when he was working, he worked with Oberoi's, Taj and all. And then that's when he called me once day, let's open a pastry school. And I was like, what is pastry school?
Exactly.
Uh,
That is the thing. I mean,
and
pastry school.
that's what I said. I don't have any contribution to this pastry school except I said I've heard pastry, okay, as a word, and a school as a word, and I have no affiliation to any of these. School, I was one of the last benches. Pastry, I don't eat. So pastry school, something of that thing exists, and from there we opened our first school. So I asked him, "What do you want from me?" He said, "Just give me whatever money you have." And I was like, "Oh, really?" I took out whatever
Okay.
money I had in his saving. I took out some loan, withdrew some PF, and I knew him
Right.
for so long. So I didn't invest in a business. It was investing in a friend who was passionate. So
Friendship.
this passion talks. He was
Exactly.
passionate about baking, and that's how we started. Thankfully, I don't regret now.
Right. Obviously.
When Romila gave this money to him, I was like, I don't know whether I'll get this money back. Okay, but I had thought very clearly, if I don't get my money back, I'm not going to fret about it. It invested in a friend. अगर आ गया तो बहुत अच्छा नहीं
Right.
है तो, but thankfully friend भी है और पैसा भी है.
No, that's what relationships are all about. I mean, you could manage such a good friend, and then you had so much of faith in him, and he had faith in the concept. So that's how I think it worked, and the way it has worked, it's been tremendous. I mean, But then tell me, that was once you left army, then corporate, then this, right? Then in corporate also you kept on shifting. It's not that you stayed with Mercer or you stayed with Wipro. Why was that? Because I find it very difficult from people who, first of all, they don't leave army for long time because they're so much in the comfort zone. You left army, then you left something else, which was again good. Wipro in Hyderabad, I'm sure it's such a beautiful place, such a nice company. Then different things. Why so? Because I remember once we were running, after that I asked the same thing. कि सर आपने ऐसा ऐसा मतलब why transition?
So while I was in the army, so before I joined army, I was like very passionate about army. Okay, मतलब वो रात को सोता हूँ तो आर्मी के सपने आते थे, सुबह उठता हूँ तो आर्मी के सपने आते थे. I used to see myself wearing a fatigue and with the AK in my hand. जब वो आर्मी में गया तो पता चला वो सब तो है, but उसके साथ में वो कुछ और भी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं which I was not able to relate to. Okay, army is an amazing organization. Okay, I mean, अगर मैं मतलब I admit it publicly and on with you also, Romil, अगर फौज में नहीं जाता ना तो मैं टिपिकल दिल्ली वाला बन के रह जाता, वो शायद जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं कर पाता. So from there, army taught me a lot of things in terms of my complete personality change with the army. Okay.
Right.
But I realized I am not probably cut out to stay in army for 20 years. अगर मैं 20 years रहा तो I'll keep cribbing. So I have to make my decision now. And I made the decision very early in my career. And moment I got an opportunity to quit, I resigned. So my CEO that time, he sent my application thrice saying, oh, think about it, think about it.
Right.
So and then came to corporate. ऐसे जैसे आर्मी के बारे में बहुत कुछ सुना था, ऐसे कॉर्पोरेट के बारे में बहुत सुना था कि you in the corporate it's a cushy life. Okay, बाहर सिविल में तो यार कोई पूछता नहीं है, आप you go out on party on a daily basis, सुबह 9 से 5 काम करो और that's it.
Right.
the corporate life पता चला नहीं ये भी नहीं है, life is very different. But then I loved the atmosphere. Whatever I learned in the army, I tried to implement this in my corporate life. 6 years I stayed with Wipro. It is an Indian multinational. It comes with its own share of challenges. Okay, moved to Mercer.
Absolutely.
Mercer is an American multinational. मतलब वहाँ तो काम करने का तरीका ही अलग था. छोटी-छोटी चीजों के लिए जहाँ मैं परेशान होता रहता था विप्रो में, वो मर्सर में आके तो my thought process changed completely. Okay. And I was loving the job, but then this, by the time you start expanding and what better to manage your own business than, so but
Absolutely.
वो एक infantry में सुना होगा, complete army, this thing, one leg on the ground, correct? So,
absolutely, yeah.
So while you secure yourself and then for the civilian population, in the aircraft, they say कि अगर seat belt बांधनी है पहले अपना खुद का बांधो फिर बच्चे का बांधना. तो I for good about 9 months I continued working while I was handling my business also, set it up and in India, got made it to such a level where I was able to take out the similar salary that I was getting in Mercer. Okay. Then I quit. So that's how the entire transition had been. But one thing is very common. Okay. I think all those adjectives that we keep hearing, hard work, focus, teamwork and all that, that was true in army, that was true in corporate, and that's same, and I think more true in the your own business or your own entrepreneurship. Absolutely same. Okay. We just need to, if you need to do well, we need to have very similar, thought processes. So that's how.
Right. So you mean to say the basics remained the same and the grooming which you did in army, because you joined the army and in the initial stages, which are the most difficult part, you did the commando course, you were in the high altitude area of field also. I mean, most difficult times in the army also you spend that. And that is the learning you carried from army to corporate and then to your own venture. That's what you meant, I guess.
Yeah. So the army is extreme. Okay. So I keep telling my guys, if the government is asking for the army to step in, iska matlab the entire civil administration is failed. Okay. Now that's you require the army. So working in army tenure in the Uri sector. I was in the Uri sector, spent 4 years. Hello, Ellen.
Right.
So I was in the Uri sector in about 11,000 feet height. During good about 4 months, there was no fresh food. Okay, so you are dependent on the dry food, tinned food, and you need to really
Absolutely.
plan it well. Agar aapne the passes get closed, I'm sure a lot of people would have heard or read in the newspaper. For good 4 months, because of snow, the passes are closed. You don't plan it well, you're doomed. And you, not only
Correct.
you, as a team leader, I had about 30 people on that post. We were about 350 meters from a Pakistani post, eye to eye always.
Right.
So, and from there, and you know, I used to go to the post like so often. मतलब अगर मैं कटरा से जम्मू वैष्णो देवी की चढ़ाई की बात करूं, वो तो मतलब ऐसा था कि लाइक पॉपिंग अ कैंडी इन योर माउथ एवरी डे एवरी सेकंड डे. कई बार तो अगर सीओ बहुत खुश है तो दिन में 2 बार भी बुला लेता था. आप नीचे पहुंचे हो तो सीओ साहब ने बुलाया तो यू बैक अगेन. आई मीन दैट वाज द height of physical
Correct.
fitness required. And when I
Right.
came to Wipro, I saw these young kids. They are cribbing about the food. Okay. And I said, "अबे क्या गर्मा गर्म खाना
Right.
मिल रहा है यार." I was so happy. Okay. लंच में खाना मिल रहा है. I mean, you hardly pay anything उस समय. बढ़िया गर्मा गर्म रोटी बन रही है
Right.
साथ में. And they're still cribbing. And like, what? They had a nice
Right.
workstation, AC चल रहा है, they're working, you're getting a laptop, desktop, and they're still cribbing. आज ये नहीं मिला, आज वो नहीं मिला. And I was like, what is this? कौन सी दुनिया है ये? So then I was talking to one of my senior, army senior, and he says, "Bhai, you have seen the extremes, okay? When you see the extreme, you start appreciating even these small things that you get, and that's what the difference is." So these guys have not seen, so इसलिए उनके लिए this is the big thing. So I mean, when I started to do all
Absolutely.
that, वो life became easy. मतलब मेरा expectation बहुत नीचे चला गया. मतलब जो मिल रहा है वो सब अच्छा है, मिल तो रहा है कम से कम. So that's how. The basic remains the
Right.
same.
So that was as regards the army life. Then after corporate, you started your own venture. So own venture, I'm sure there must have been lots and lots of challenges, lots of setbacks. Take us through that journey. The kind of setbacks you have faced once you started your own with your friends.
So you know, any business, initially I used to think money is important. Okay. पैसा हाँ चाहिए तो आप कहाँ से लेके आओगे? You think about loan, you think about, you know, taking your own savings, and you borrow from your friends and all. So we think that's the you know, the first step to being a good businessman. But you know, वो शुरू में था, but धीरे समझ में आ गया, no, that's not. You need to have a good idea. You need to work towards it. Okay, so people can really work on it, and there are people who are ready to invest on it. So initially we invested
Right.
on our own, but after that we faced problem. Initially, few months we didn't had, you know, Romel, in the first batch we had only 2 students. Okay, 2, and I was wondering कि यार 2 students से कैसे काम चलेगा? When we used to tell parents, by the way, our fees is very high. Okay, I don't want to.
You must tell about that also, because 2 students would not mean, I mean, the kind of courses you have. Just go through the kind of courses you are referring to, and
So
what do you teach in those courses?
So in the we have a 9-month program which is you know, pastry bakery and culinary. In this 9 months program, it is Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. all hands on. Well, if I really compare it with IHM, most of the people will know what IHMs are, hotel management are. Yeah, this is a complete shift. Okay,
Right.
everybody makes their own program. मतलब ट्यूशन में भी 14 बच्चे नहीं होते यार, उससे ज़्यादा बच्चे होते हैं आजकल, ठीक है? So everybody gets attention, everybody makes
बिल्कुल.
it. So our fees becomes very high. Okay, we teach best of the modern desserts, French desserts. So
Right.
our fees is almost like 7 lakh rupees for a 9 months course. Okay, so
Right.
so, when we started selling this course in
No,
India,
no.
parents बोलते थे यार इतने में तो
I
MBA
can
हो जाती है.
No, I can still digest because I've seen it happening on ground. Once I was there in your office with my family, so we've seen what kind of equipments you have, the kind of stores you provide to them. So I mean, it's still understandable. But then for anyone else who has not seen, and this is after knowing for some time. The first time I heard, I was like, who would go there?
Yeah, so we had a similar problem when we told people इतना fees है, तो people were very convinced. But जब fees के बारे में बताया तो बोलते हैं यार इतने में तो MBA हो जाएगा, फिर भी पैसे बच जाएंगे. ठीक है?
Right. Absolutely.
So it took us time from 2, next batch had 4, then 7, and that's how. Today we have about 750 students studying in all our centers across Asia. Okay.
Right.
So the difficulty was to convince students or the parents rather, because they have to pay the money. Yes, we can do justice to the money that you have.
Absolutely.
We didn't had really the government guidelines. It keep changing, you know.
Right.
Changes quite often. So we had problem with that. We didn't had expectation of, or we didn't know how to really run businesses. So in our Gurgaon Academy, we ended up making smaller classrooms and all. So those were the real challenges. But now over a period of time, it has been really good. And you know, we've opened so many centers. We can open
Right.
new centers with the, and we really divided our work. I don't know much about pastry bakery, okay, even now.
Right.
So, but my partner, he's a pastry chef, so he takes care of the technical aspect of it, okay,
Correct.
and I really handle the operation part of it. That's what divided our work.
Absolutely.
Now it has become easy and manageable.
Now, also tell us about the kind of students you have, because I remember once I was there at your office, you were mentioning the young people as well as the old. And because anybody who's passionate about bakery would only come to you. I mean, passionate about the pastry making and all. So the variety of students you get, just throw some light on that piece.
So, yeah, it's like, so when we say pastry bakery, it's a complete French desserts. So there is nothing under the umbrella of a French dessert which is not covered here. So right from chocolate,
Right.
wedding cake, you know, the breads, vinocreries, macaroons, tea cake, you know, cookies, your entremets, as we call them in French, cakes,
Right.
pastries, displays made of chocolate, displays made of, you know, sugar, everything is taught, okay,
Absolutely.
right from the scratch
Right.
to the most this thing. And I'm sure again some of you will be able to relate to us, many students who join us. So the minimum age criteria is 16 years. There's no maximum age criteria. So we have students who are even I remember there's a lady in Bangalore, uh, about a year 2 years ago, she was 53 years, okay, 53 years of age.
Right.
Imagine learning along with a kid who is 16 years of age, okay. But then the skill-based
Absolutely.
program, everybody learns, everybody has to make. You really don't
Right.
have to sit and just make notes. Then we have a lot of engineers, architects, CA,
Okay.
doctors. You know, about a year ago, we had 4 doctors pursuing this course. I mean, they had good experience.
Right.
They kept with them on a hold for some time, came and did the course with us. Okay, every bit. So वो होता है ना
Absolutely.
हमारे यहाँ कि बेटा पहले इंजीनियरिंग कर लो या ग्रेजुएशन फिर कुछ करना. So वो
Right.
बच्चों को समझ में आया जब तो ग्रेजुएशन हो जाती है तो समझ में अभी क्या करना है मेरे टाइप का, मतलब वो मुझे तो फिर भी आर्मी ने
Hmm.
झेल लिया, but
Right.
civil world is quite
There are a lot of people.
so that's how.
True.
In fact, not only pastry bakery, Romel, we have a 9 months course in pastry bakery. We have a similar 9 months course in culinary as well. Okay, I will really compare with
And what is culinary? Because I am totally new to this term. It looks fancy. So I'm sure if you tell in a desi version, it'd be better for us to understand.
so cuisines. So we start
Okay.
from basic techniques of so let me take a step back. I remember
Yeah.
I was reading an article by one of the famous chef in one of the newspaper. He said, what we are taught in the hotel management institutes, the ingredients, book mein to pad liya, but I saw it actually after 2 years of my joining the industry.
Complete.
Okay.
Right.
So अभी
Absolutely.
अगर हम छोटे बच्चों को बोलेंगे घर में, इवन बड़े ऑल्सो, अब वो मूंग की दाल और अरहर की दाल दोनों येलो कलर की होती है, शायद डिफरेंस अभी भी ना बता पाए. Okay,
Correct.
that's a very raw example, but in the industry there are such ingredients used which because they are costly and not everybody can really have access to it, the hotel management institutes has very less time allotted to the practical classes. Okay, it's all theory.
Right.
So you make a cake or you make a soup in the notebook, but actually बनाने में बैठोगे तो शायद नहीं बनेगा. Okay.
Yeah.
From so in the culinary 9 months program, we start from identification of ingredients, cutting of vegetables, okay, and then it goes on to the soup, salad, eggs, sandwiches, and then it goes on to the very advanced, like your classic French cuisine, Italian cuisine, even molecular gastronomy, okay, and fusion cuisine and all that. So they learn
Right.
how to really make it. So it's a bouquet. So you learn the cuisines. You go to a restaurant, you order your your Chinese, your Indian food, or your Mexican food. That comes under cuisine, and
Right.
then you order the desserts, or you order a cake for your birthday and all. That comes under desserts. So that's how we have two divisions.
Right.
Also, we introduced this year a 3-year program. So young kids, they're not sure what do they want to do. So we have a 1-year program in culinary, 1-year program in
Okay.
bakery, and then 1-year program is only experiential learning. They are sent to France, they're sent to Dubai, they are sent to explore in our own country the various cuisines and all. So that's a 3-year program.
Right. And let me also tell my viewers that these days, because of the lockdown, there are a lot of videos and a lot of classes which are conducted online. And if you go through the sites, I think Dinesh said that would be available on the website which you had shared.
Yeah, so we realize so we are known for hands-on training, okay, completely hands-on.
Right.
So in the 9
Yeah.
months, there are 36 weeks, okay. Out of 33 weeks, they're in the kitchen, okay.
Wow.
You can imagine how hands-on is it. So we
Correct.
don't have any online theory classes. So when this lockdown happened, we didn't know what to do.
Crisis.
Suddenly, so we're like, let's start giving this classes, this gyan, okay, free of cost to our students or to our followers. So we are very active on Instagram.
Right.
So all those who are on Instagram, please follow us on APCA India, APCA, that is Academy of
Right.
Pastry Culinary Arts India. And we do a lot of live sessions every day, 1 to 2 live sessions, a lot of recipes, and this is quite beneficial. So that's what we're doing, and
Right.
we're keeping ourselves busy. But moment this is done, we will back to our kitchens.
Shift. And you get a lot of people from outside also. I mean, I've read so many posts of yours, somebody coming from outside taking classes or taking some competitions also. You have won in abroad as well. Very distinguished ones. Just
So
a few minutes on that.
yeah. So you'll be surprised. In fact, I think most of the viewers will be surprised how there's a
Right.
World Cup of cricket, hockey,
Mm.
okay, football. There's a World Cup of pastry and bakery also. I
Right.
didn't know this. I said, oh, really? And it happens in France every 2
Right.
years. Okay. And so team from India has never been there. मतलब वो सोचते हैं
Obviously.
ये चूरमा खाने वाले कहाँ केक बनाएंगे मतलब वो वाला so
Obviously, sir.
so first time 2015 when we opened India, 2016 we won the competition in India. Then there's a local selection in India. After that, there's a regional selection that happens in Singapore, which is called as Asia Pastry Cup. So we reached the Asia Pastry Cup level. And we were greenhorn, absolutely. We didn't know anything about, that was the first entry there.
Right.
In 15, 16 countries, okay?
Okay.
Singapore and all that. And we got the bronze medal. And when they announced India, oh, really? Oh,
Amazing.
prepared, okay? हमें तो मतलब
Amazing.
And because
Right.
we were top 3, then we went to represent the country in the World Pastry Cup. Okay?
Amazing.
It was a different experience altogether. Imagine 22 countries, there are 2,000 people viewing you. The live competition from morning, some 8 o'clock to 5 o'clock. You have to make everything live in front of them. And it was a huge experience. Okay, competitors are France, okay, Germany, Italy, England. मतलब जिनके यहाँ ये पेस्ट्री बेकरी बनाई है उनसे हमने सीखा है हम उनसे जाकर compete करने जा रहे हैं.
Right.
We did not do too well, okay, and but then we've been trying every time, but uske baad we never got a chance to really reach that level. But last year, 2019, our Malaysia team. So, like I said, besides India, where we are present in Gurgaon, Bangalore, and Mumbai, we are present in Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia, and Singapore.
Amazing.
Malaysia team reached there, okay, and they won the competition. So
Wow.
they won against France, they won against Italy. So it was a huge thing. मतलब ये ऐसे ही हो गया
Exactly.
कल को कोई हम उनके यहाँ जाके उनके डेजर्ट्स में उन्हीं के पड़ोसियों में हम जीत के आ गए. ये ऐसे हो गया कल को भी हमारे यहाँ के इंडिया में मान लो फ्रांस वाले छोले भटूरे कंपटीशन जीत के चले गए.
हाँ, बिल्कुल same thing. Excellent. No, amazing.
We have been really working towards. In fact, now 2020, the next edition was supposed to happen. We won the India level, and the competition is supposed to happen in Singapore, the next selection. And the 5 countries where we are present, उसमें से 4 countries will be representing, our chef will be representing those 4 countries in
Oh,
Asia Pacific.
wow. Amazing.
So like this pastry championship with the other guys wants, every 2 years there's somebody winner. So we keep inviting them. Similarly, there's a chocolater, there's MOF, like we have, वो होता ना इंडिया में पद्म विभूषण we give it to, you know, so those people उनके MOF बोलते हैं फ्रांस वालों को.
Right.
So those are like the artisans of chocolate, artisans French. We call them to impart training to our students. They are the next level. They are the last level of, you know.
Has to be.
So we
Has
call
to
them
be,
to
obviously.
conduct training for our students. So across all our centers, they come down. So there's a lot that we can really do. Once you get into it, then we realize that there's so much to really learn here.
Right, absolutely. So Dinesh said we have covered quite in detail. But after this, I've realized, you know, whenever I've interacted last few months with you, you've been only Delta 105, because I could see it inside you. Matlab, whenever I used to run with you, you could feel so passionate about, Acha, now we have to do this, now we are planning for this, now this. Tell us about Delta 105. It's so close to your heart.
So, you know, हम फौजियों को जनरली लोग जानते हैं civilians, and please don't take offense, okay? सिविलियंस को लगता है कि फौज का मतलब हाँ वो लड़ते हैं, AK-47 हमेशा हाथ में रहती है, बहुत अच्छे हैं लोग हैं और इनके कैंट में फ्री की दारू मिलती है, है ना?
That's the bottom line.
CSD में सामान मिलता है यार, सामान दिला दे and all that.
Right.
Army is not about that alone. I mean, we do all these things. दारू फिर भी नहीं मिलती है फ्री में. I mean, all those who are sadly mistaken. But the army is much beyond that. So, मतलब if I talk about myself, अगर मैं फौज में नहीं गया होता ना, तो I would have been I don't know what. मतलब वो दिल्ली में रह के शायद तोन निकली होती और वो पता नहीं कहीं किसी कंपनी में कहीं छोटा मोटा कोई काम कर रहा होता या ठीक भी कर रहा होता, तो my thought process would have been again very cockeyed and, you know, army is really
absolutely
very different. It is absolutely, my personality has been changed. And I owe this to the army. Now, that is true for everybody of us who has been in the army. Okay. Now, we are known. Is it easy to give give our own life? I know people and all those Fauji there. या civilians के भी friends होंगे या relatives होंगे जो अपनी जान देते हैं. जान देना. मैं बोलता हूँ civil में किसी को बोला यार तुम्हारी salary 2 लाख है, अगले महीने 10 लाख हो गई है तुम्हारी, चलो अब तुम फौज में जाओ और उस तक तुम्हारी जान निकल जाए. I mean, I'm civilians, I'm sure they will say, nahi yaar, I'm okay, I'm happy here.
Right.
मुझे जान नहीं देनी. So, what is it? It's all training, which really makes an army man to give his life and even to take somebody's life. When taking somebody's life is also not easy. Okay. Army Jawans, they spend almost 30-35 years and they hardly get to see their families. Okay. मतलब मेरे वो जवान है, वो 8वीं से ज्यादा नहीं पढ़े, बट उनको एक बार काम बता दिया तो आपको पीछे मुड़ के देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो काम करके ही बाय हुक और क्रूक वो काम होके ही रहेगा. No, what is
absolutely
it? So I wanted to show these, you know, the civilian something the army that they would not be able to see. मतलब आर्मी में शायद उनको जाने का मौका नहीं मिलेगा कैंट में जाने को, या कैंट में जाएंगे तो वो सिर्फ CSD तक ही लिमिटेशन है. They'll not see the working. So I opened this, I had this dream for about 4-5 years, but didn't have the courage to open it. So we opened in 2000, we started working in 2018. It's about 26 acres of property in closer to Gurgaon. We have really made a mini cantonment. Okay? And my own unit Jawans and some other Jawans from other units are working there. The activities are very army related, which you will not get to see. So for example, how does a line of control looks like? Okay, so they'll get to see a 300 feet line of control. How does a grenade? How long can you? How far can you throw a grenade? Okay, वो सलमान खान की मूवी देखते हैं वो, या सनी देओल की, वो ग्रेनेड को वो दांत से खींचा और यहाँ से लाहौर बर्बाद कर दिया, वो पता नहीं कि 25 मीटर फेंक दिया तो बहुत बड़ी चीज हो जाएगी. Okay, so we got look-alike of grenades. And we let people throw them. Okay. Yeah. How do you really crawl under a crawl trench? Okay. वो ऊपर से firing आ रही है. How do you do that? Or you play paintball, and there are a lot of other interesting things. Or even from an education perspective, a national flag. There's a lot of things beyond just your 3 colors national flag में. Okay. कब
Right.
लगाना है, कब उतारना है, उसको how do you dispose it off? There are so many things. So a session is conducted. There are a lot of sports area. People can stay there. How does the Jawan bunkers look like? We created Jawan bunker. So it's a full day activity. People can really spend. And what I have been seen is when people leave and go back, their respect for the army goes few notches above than what they were before they, came to the place. Or they are
True.
aware about army much more. So uh, my expectation is when they see an army man, probably they'll treat him with a little more respect than what probably they would do, before coming to the park. So they're very close to my heart. How Niklesh is passionate about his bakery and pastry. I am passionate about this Delta 105, and that's how this
Correct.
is keeping us going.
So, and I see a lot of photographs wherein you just don't tell them, you make them experience all these things. Be it the way you're saying, crawling underneath and then running around. We had a Pittu race also you had organized wherein people run as if they're running in commandos with packs and they have to choose their packs and also it's a, I mean, complete concept of civilian understanding what army is all about, apart from what they have a wrong perspective, if I would say. It's just
So
about that.
yeah, so Roman, there are so many things that we really do. If I start talking about it, I'm sure I can keep talking about it for a very long time.
Right.
So the Pittu race, for example, okay, in the commandos and even in the regular training, we all have carried 20 kg weight and we have ran 40 kilometers. So in OTA we used to call it Shatrujit, and in I think in IMA on OTA Chindit, and now if you
Camps and
tell
all,
a
whichever.
different 20 kilometers 20 kgs and 40 kilometers, people will say, "Are you crazy? Is that really
Right.
possible?" But we do it as if nothing. It's back of a mind. So we let people feel it. We give that picture to people. They wear it on their shoulder, uh, and we ask them to run only 100 meters. Okay, that's it.
Right.
And people say, "Oh God, this is killing ya." I said, "Imagine it's only 100 meters. If really you asked
Correct.
to run 40 kilometers, what will happen?" Says, hats off to you guys. So the actual fun is in really experiencing it on their own, really doing it, and not just listening to people. So that's how they'll
Right.
really see the value in it, and that's what we do.
Right. So amazing. That's why it's so close to your heart because uh, it's kind of way of your way of giving back. So whatever you've learned in the army, because I see the people who are there, those are not the normal people. These are the people who have seen the army life. They've seen the wars. They've been in Kargil. They've been fighting at different locations. Few from your units as well. So that's amazing because it's not they are the people who come as a guest over there. They're not interacting with anyone who just tell them the description. They'll tell about their own stories, like you were mentioning. I mean, people once they listen to the actual instances, they touch their feet and they can, I mean, relate it from their heart, not just listening to the outside thing.
So, so there was once a school. That was first school, Summerfield from Gurgaon. Okay.
Okay.
Um, so when they were leaving, so they did all the activities and they were like highly impressed. When they were leaving, I saw a bunch of kids taking autograph from my these Javans.
Right.
I said, really? What are they doing? So I went closer and I overheard them talking. Says, यार हमारे असली हीरो तो यही होते हैं. They give life
Right.
for us. And suddenly, all our tissue paper, all newspaper gone. बच्चे kitchen में घुस गए वहां से भैया newspaper दे दो, भैया tissue paper दे दो, and they're taking
Right.
autograph from all these guys. Okay. Next day, I got a call from one of the senior teachers from the school. She's saying, "Hey, all the kids are talking about this trip, and I mean, 90% of the kids actually want to go and join army."
Right. So these are the kind of values you want in children. I mean, what else you want?
Absolutely, yeah.
That's
So true. Yeah, I mean, there was another case where one of my buddy, he is he's also in Delta. So uh,
okay.
after he got married, I think within 20 days he was asked to move to the field, and
Right.
for good 10 months he could not go back to his home because of
Right.
Kargil war. So imagine a newly married guy for 10 months. So when people really hear all these theories, they say, "Oh God!" And you know that is one part. There'll be many such stories where the people have not been able to come back. Recently, we had
Yeah. Yeah.
Major Sood who
Handwar.
got martyred in Kashmir. He got married just about three,
Right.
4 months ago. Okay, he was not able
Absolutely.
to come back. So there's so many stories. when people really hear all this, their respect about the army really goes up very high. That was the whole motive behind this Delta. Obviously, beside the commercial interest, which obviously is there,
Right.
but this really does make ring a bell in the mind of people. In fact, a
Right.
lot of Fauji's come there and says, "Oh, it looks as if
Yeah.
Fauji." They says, "Oh, लगता है वो हम पुराने वापस we've gone back to our unit."
Exactly. No, that's true. And I mean, that is one perspective. From the Jawan's perspective, also, it gives a lot of motivation. You know, once you see people acknowledging that to children, because everybody can relate to children, and children coming up to you and saying, okay, so this is what we want the children also to learn. And the Jawan himself would be, I mean, on cloud nine once he goes back to his home, telling their family, no, I'm not the one you think, because there are a lot of people who actually respect these kind of values. So, I mean, hats off to this.
Actually, a lot of corporates come to us, and some of the best,
Right.
some of the top corporates in Gurgaon have reached us. And they really love the way their employees spend the time.
Right.
So these Jawans, they get to experience with the kids, the corporates, the families. Okay, and so obviously it's not a regular security job or a running around admin job. It is, they're talking
Right.
about something that they're very passionate. They spend their life doing it. So for
Right.
them also, it's a huge pride that they find it.
Absolutely. Okay. Now, Dinesh sir, we come to a point wherein we both met each other, because the T-shirt which you are wearing. Because I remember the time there was, I was coming back on leave from Hyderabad, and then those days there were hardly any running groups. Unlike now, wherein you have so many Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups. Those days there was no running group. So I got Dinesh sir's number through some mail or somewhere on the internet, and then I sent a mail that okay, I want to come and run. And then once I was back on leave in Delhi, then I went up to him. Early morning, must be around 5:30. Dinesh sir there calling other people, because we were 5, 6 of us, and those days running had not picked up. I'm talking about 2012, 13, somewhere around that time. So Dinesh sir calling everyone, okay, aa raha hai run ke liye. And then somebody used to say, sir abhi uthaun, aaja yaar, hum wait kar rahe hain. So we used to wait for 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Tell us about that journey. How did WDR? Because again, West Delhi runners that time, there was no other running group. So everything was new. How did running came into your life?
So there's a very funny incident. Okay, I from the army. I'm from the infantry. Hum infantry wale are supposed to be super fit. We like Padal Sena. So till my
Has to be.
tenure,
Commando and all.
yeah, commandos, and you walk like insane distances. I said जितना वैष्णो देवी चढ़ाई उतनी तो हम रोज कर लेते थे on a regular
Correct.
basis. So when I so probably we got a wrong sense of accomplishment. कि मैं करूँ ना करूँ तो मैं fit तो रहूँगा. Okay. So in 2004 when I left army, my weight never crossed 65 kgs, and I left army, came to civil world. अब वहाँ तो CO डंडा मार के पीटी कराता था. Okay. And यहाँ आगे तो कोई पूछने वाला नहीं है. खाना उल्टा सीधा. 65 से 66, 67, 68, 70, 71, and I said, बढ़ रहा है, कोई नहीं, कभी भी कम कर देंगे यार, हम 72, 74, I said, oh, ज़्यादा हो रहा है यार, कुछ करना पड़ेगा. 2 दिन एक्सरसाइज किया, उसके बाद कुछ कम नहीं हुआ, 77, 78, and I said, imagine I am 5 foot 6.5 inches with 78 kg, I'll be looking like a golgappa. Okay? And then when I made an effort to reduce, I just tried hard, but I couldn't reduce my weight. And then I started working, and then imagine somebody's done commandos and did those insane kilometers. I did my the dream run, वो एयरटेल का वो 6 किलोमीटर ड्रीम रन.
बिल्कुल.
उसमें भी पसीने आ गए. मतलब वो 6 किलोमीटर किया तो बोला यार क्या अचीवमेंट है, 6 किलोमीटर कर लिया. And I was saying really. And then I started running. तो मैंने देखा I stay in Dwarka. Okay, so Dwarka is part of West Delhi. So I used to go out to run. I saw people running. Okay, and I said, यार why can't we all run together? मतलब एक effort होता. तो मैं all those old running club groups. Remember there was a running and living, by Rahul Varghese.
Rahul Varghese, right?
Yeah. So he had a running and living West Delhi. So I wrote a mail in that in 2011 sometime. Guys, I'm going for a run tomorrow. Okay. At 5:36, whatever. Join me if you want to. So and so place. One person joined. Okay. And we ran together. फिर मैंने लिखा अगले दिन संडे के लिए. Then that person did not come. Some other person came. Okay.
Right.
Then I wrote again next weekend. Ranjana, some of you would know Ranjana. Ranjana came
Right.
in. And I was saying, यार ये दो लड़के तो रुके नहीं, ये लड़की कहाँ रुकेगी types. तो
Correct.
उसके बाद से but there's been steady stream. Dev came in, then Namit, then Radhe, and so then that was time when I was in a recruitment mode. Okay, जो भी मिलता run करता देखता तो
Exactly.
I used to stop by and to my wife to say, यार रुक जाओ, मैं क्या कर रहे हो तुम सबको मतलब रनिंग ग्रुप में शामिल करोगे,
पकड़ पकड़ के.
हाँ रन करोगे, ये मेरा नंबर ले लो यार, हम कल सब रन करेंगे. From that time, we started running together. From there to today, when we run together, we are good about 30-40 people. मतलब वो Facebook पे तो we reach I think 1,500 2,000 people. But on a party and all, when we are running together, 50-60 people run together. And it's absolutely non-commercial thing. There's no money and all. It's all passion people. And in fact, today my circle is limited to my work, my immediate family, and the running group. I don't have too many friends. I don't have too many relatives and all. So I really look forward to that. वो time था कि अगर सुबह 5 बजे मिलना है तो 2 बजे रात को आँख खुल जाती थी, 3 बजे आँख खुल जाती थी यार, 5 नहीं बजे अभी तक. रात को कभी मैं 1 बजे भी आता तो सुबह 5 बजे जाता था. मतलब I still remember वो रात को सामान टी शर्ट भी बाहर रखना, जूते भी बाहर रखना, कि बस सुबह उठ के अपने आप को बाहर निकालना है वाइफ से बच के रन के लिए. Okay. From that time, I did my first 21 kilometers from in Mawana. It used to happen from Connaught Place, 2012. Right. Then I went and did Rishikesh mein running and nibbling 21 kilometers. That was a torture. Okay, it was very difficult. And from there, I did a couple of full marathon in Mumbai SCMM. And that's how it has been. I am now less active on running. I'm more active just to stay fit and lean and all. With so much of desert around, okay, it's quite a challenge to stay fit. That's how it has been. But
absolutely,
it has been it's very close to my heart, and I really love talking to these guys.
No, here I would like to add, that time we used to run again close to Sector 11 Park and all. And since I used to be on leave, so we used to have only one car at home. Father would use it. So Dinesh sir used to come and pick me up. And I've seen the growth, that initially we start with bike, then one car, then second car. Now this time I used to tell sir, no, I have a car, but then I want you to come and pick me up again for the run. So that picking up is there because your route used to be en route. And then since then it's never stopped, and it's always good fun interacting with you, running along. And the way group has done, everybody knows, and anybody who's into running would know WDR or West Delhi runners. So it's amazing. And luckily Ranjana is still there, and then other people have also joined a lot.
Yeah, right. So that's still there in the group.
Right, absolutely. So we which some the people. And before we do our rapid fire, so the questions we start is there's an officer, Jitendra Dutt Raturi. He wants to know about the idea of starting this pastry school. Why did you start? Why started this? Any gaps identified in the market? So I think we have covered most of it, but still in 2 minutes, if you can say, maybe sir would have joined a bit late. So that idea of pastry school, how did it come? And do you find any gaps sort of thing wherein you think that hotel management is doing something, you're doing something, there's something on those lines?
So quickly, hotel management institutes, then even now, they are the one who really are majorly teaching about food. But then it's a 3-year course. In each class, you have about 50, 60, 40 people. Amount of time spent on practical is 20-25%. They are still teaching with very, very old equipments. I remember I went to IHM Bangalore. It is one of the top IHM institute. And the oven they had was about 30-year-old. Okay. Not even AC in the classroom and all. So the teachers are not actually, they are just teachers. They're not chef. They've been teaching for 35 years. So we realized there's a big gap. One of my partner actually went to US, and the school that we have, he saw a similar school, and he realized he was working with the Renaissance group then, and he realized, why don't we open something like that? In the whole Asia, we had a similar hotel management institute kind of a concept. That's why I opened. It's a very, very focused only on pastry and bakery and chota batch size, the best of the equipments which they really can use when they go to the hotel. They'll not find anything amiss. So that's how
Right.
this entire concept came up, and we started this going.
Correct. Okay. So, Dinesh sir, we have one person here who listened to our previous talk and went for a 21K that immediate night, right? So he's a very, very young guy, a runner. So he wants to, for a young guy like him, like we have in Forge, a youngster, he's a typical Josh type youngster, Manoj. So he wants to know what is your advice to him on life, because you've seen army, you have seen corporates, and he's a Fauji son. So you've seen army, you have seen corporate, and you have seen your own journey from into entrepreneurship. So what is your guidance to him as regards life? What are the pros and cons would you say he should go about in life, into corporate or other things as well?
So I have a lot of youngsters who study with me in my institute. So like at 750 mein se, about good 50-60% are about between 21 and 25 years of age. Okay, so it's important to follow the passion. I think अगर parents बोल रहे नहीं बेटा graduation कर लो, whereas you have no interest. I don't know if you know Kapil. He's one of the WDR saying, he called me up yesterday. He says the daughter wants to do pastry, but मैंने कहा graduation कर लो. Okay, so I think people should find out where their passion lies, and nobody else can talk about it. It is I or that person or Manoj who can really find that out. Need to work for that passion, and there is वो कहते हैं ना किसमें opportunity ज़्यादा है आजकल इंडिया में the opportunities are full. मतलब you talk about the food, you talk about being even a DJ, okay, or anything, something which was frowned upon some time back. There are good opportunities. Right. So I think let the passion be identified and work towards it. Become the best in his skill. इतना हो गया ना फिर तो he'll find his own way. He doesn't have to really worry about somebody's phone करके बोलना यार मेरे को वहाँ job देना है या काम करना है. What I realized is if you're passionate, you're really working hard, you're focused, there are enough people in the market who really would bank upon you and give you the opportunity.
Very nice answers, very nice. Okay, now another one, we have Venkat. He wants to know, since you have done so many things, what is your next business plan?
So the next business plan is to get off this corona unscathed. Okay.
That's important.
There's so much of really uncertainty in the market today. We are ready. We are going really, day by day. At this moment, for at least next 2 years, idea just to sustain, survive in the market, and think about something else. But we do plan to open more pastry schools. We are 3 in India right now and 4 outside. Plan is to open more. At this moment, nothing more beyond that.
Okay. Because the present situation is such. There's another one which has come from Shubham Agarwal. So he says he has a MVP, which is a minimum value plan. And then he says they request some guidance for ex-forces guy. So I believe he's from the defense on the learning the curve to know how to go ahead. I mean, once you have a plan which you have seen working on a small scale, how to take it forward on a larger scale? What do you suggest?
So I think it needs to be implemented somewhere. He needs to find somebody who is a taker, who can really give him the opportunity to implement it somewhere, see the impact, then increase the circle. And once there is enough sample points, I think then it can be launched commercially. I think that's true for this business or any other business. You cannot really go full-fledged. Nobody will really give him the air. It has to be tried at some known people. So I'll be happy to get on one-to-one with Shubham after this, or he can reach out to me. My number.
Sure. Okay, another question is that how do you see the Delta 105 participants coming and experiencing the idea after the COVID experience? Because things are a bit different and difficult. So how do you experience the situation to change once the thing gets lifted?
So, in last 2 months has been the most peaceful time for me. You know why? Earlier I was always busy. The mind is always roaming around, finding solution, getting out of the problem, thinking of something new. In 2 months, I know I can't do anything. Okay. So if I
Right.
can't do anything, I might just sit peacefully. I actually dread thinking of what will happen post Corona for at least 1 year. I mean, I don't want to sound very pessimistic, but it's actually it's not a good scenario. Nobody's going to come to Delta for at least few months. We're going to open again in October, November. That's the best time for outdoors. I'm just hoping, okay, people do come. But given this social distancing and the fear, I don't think 1 year. I just need to, like I said, I just need to lie Dogo just to ensure I have enough funds to run it, okay, and just
Right.
wait for the good times to come.
No, no, I'm sure with the kind of hard work you have done, so it's going to prosper really soon, and we're going to have it again coming back soon because I've seen your pastry academy. I'm yet to come to Delta 105 because of being out for some time. So I'm definitely going to be there soon with an overnight stay as we had promised. So there's another question which has come which says that do you suggest youngsters to be taking risk or better work for corporate for some time then take risk or stay only with the corporates? Though I think it's a bit personal, but then I would request if you can go ahead on that.
So I think um, there's not really a definite answer. It really depends on situation, on the circumstances. Yeah, but it's important to not get into entrepreneurship straight away. Let there be वो सुना है कि the grass is greener on the other side. It looks fancy, but
Right. Correct.
entrepreneurship comes with their own share of challenges. It is best to work sometime, learn the nuances. I'm sure we all do mistakes, so do the mistake on somebody else's expenses, okay? And once you're confident, you have enough backup in terms of the technical knowledge and the money, then one should think of,
Right.
but not immediately.
Right. Okay. So there's another question which has come from Chetra. So the person wants to know that you, in your case, initially you had bootstrapped, taking own loans, own reserves, those kind of things. What is your take on investment if somebody comes in the initial stage of investment to you? What do your perspective on that?
See, if somebody can manage an investor, nothing like it. I mean, that's the best thing that can happen. But
Okay.
investor also will invest the money after a lot of careful, due diligence. So we all come with a lot of plans. I'm sure अभी हम मतलब वो दिमाग में इतने सारे प्लान चल रहे होंगे. सुबह तक वो प्लान
Right.
पर वो इरेज हो गया होगा, नया प्लान आ गया होगा. So it's not about
True.
the plan. It's about people want to see, investors want to see something on ground. आपने कुछ किया नहीं किया. You have created a small structure, and वो सब structure होने के बाद once they see your intent, see your business plan, how organized you are you looking really long term, then they would come and invest. But initially,
Okay.
I think it is not advisable. I would not really advise them to really go for an investor because
Right.
the stake is so low. The investor would really take the a fair pound of flesh from you, okay,
That's
with
the main
on
thing.
a
Yeah.
very quota investment. So
Right.
bootstrapping is a good option. Taking using your investment, family, friends, and all that. And once you have
Right.
spent 1-2 years and you know it's good, then you should look for investments from outside.
Right. Great. Okay, now tell us about Shashi ma'am's response from defense to corporate. We have seen your perspective, that is clear. What was ma'am's response to this kind of transition, this then other? Because I'm sure that played a major role.
Actually, until the family is comfortable, we as
Right.
the head of the family, it is difficult to take any decision. Okay, so when I left army, my father-in-law was more worried than Shashi. So कहते हैं यार शादी किया था तो
Right.
एक commission officer शादी किया था और अभी I can't even do anything. So
Right.
but thankfully Shashi convinced him and she was there. And we had sleepless nights. We had our own share of
Has to.
those difficult times, but thankfully it worked well. Came out of the corporate में जब छोड़ के decided to quit and get into my own job. Again we were worried. There's so many responsibilities. Corporate में तो अभी भी I'm sure I know Mercer and Wipro, they're paying full salaries. Okay, but thankfully again I had a plan. I really worked for 9 months before transitioning to the business full time. So
Okay.
thankfully it worked well, and she has been a huge support pillar for me. and we really share a very good rapport, and it's really doing well. So all marks to her.
Right. Obviously, we can see that. Okay, now quick fire, 2, 3 questions I have. Shall we start, sir?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Okay. Masala movie or love stories? Which one you prefer?
मसाला मूवी है any day. लव तो खत्म हो
Fight.
गया है, अभी लव स्टोरी में कुछ नहीं बचा है.
Right. Bilkul. Okay. Next. Running, Army Life, Delta 105. Which is first closest to your heart?
Yeah, I think running, Delta or Army Life anyway, it was good, but now it's a history. Delta 105
Right.
now, it's running, and I really go there. But I go running from here to Delta 105, so that way. So running closer to me.
Amazing. Okay. Any regrets in life, be it army, leaving army, corporate, or subsequent?
Absolutely no. So I am one person who I would never regret. We do all mistakes, okay.
Right.
But mistake is all about learning. So thankfully, no mistake of me has been fatal. मतलब हाथ पांव टूटे हैं, nothing beyond that, but that's okay. Okay, we are all fighting fit, so no regret.
Okay, pastry or pav bhaji?
Pav bhaji.
Wonderful. I'm glad we are recording this. Okay, langar ki
If my partner Niklesh, hears this, he'll probably he's based in Malaysia. He'll probably kill me from there itself.
Right. So langar ki chai या post ki chai versus barista coffee or Starbucks?
Oh, langar ki chai any day. I mean, even now, Romil, when I go to Delta, it feels so. वहाँ जवान है वो फटाफट चाय लेके जाते हैं, सब सामने बैठ के चाय सबकी चाय में होगी, बोलेंगे राम राम साहब और फिर चाय पीते हैं. It feels so back home.
No, that reminds me of that ad. There's a few things money can't buy. So this has to be. I mean, you being in Fit area and being on posts and all.
Yeah.
I'm sure you can relate to it much better. So thank you so much, sir. That's all for the day. We have the time, and being a Fauji, we have got to finish it as per the time. Any questions anybody has after this? I'm sure Major Dinesh. I know him for 7-8 years, so he's been an amazing friend, amazing guide, and amazing human being. So any questions, please feel free to ask subsequently as well. We have going to be putting this recording on the YouTube subsequently. But then thank you so much, sir. Great time we had, and appreciate your times a lot. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. It has been likewise. I mean, so much to really talk about, and I didn't even know. We spent almost an hour now. Okay, it has gone so fast.
Right.
Thank you so much. You've been a wonderful, amazing person. Nice knowing you. And thank you for this passion talk is really doing well. I've heard for so many other this thing. In fact, I was really surprised when you said you come and talk to this on the channel. I was, come on, these guys are all Mount Everester, they're Boston Marathoner, और पता नहीं क्या क्या यार, मेरे पास तो कुछ है नहीं बताने के लिए.
You have done enough, sir.
It is so much of great insight that we get to hear from all this. Thank you so much. My best wishes on this venture, and do well.
Thank you, sir. Jai Hind, sir.
Jai Hind.